Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see worksheet on phonics. Look in the grid for words that begin or end with the sh sound. Circle them, then copy each word next to the right of the picture. So this is the framework in which the alphabets are given, and it has the name of the objects which is given below. The children has to find out what is the name of this object which starts with the sound sh. SH is a digraph. Here S is a consonant and H is a consonant, and the two consonants which makes a single sound, that one we call as a digraph. Sh. So the child know on seeing the picture it is a shark, and they have to circle the word shark from the framework. So what I have done, I have circled, and they have to pick up and write it as a shark. Sh, ark, shark. The sh or sh sound, either it may be in the beginning or end of the word, and in the second case it is a shed. The child has to find out from the frame where the shed is, and then they have to circle it. Later they have to take out and write the shed. So they, in this way, they are able to find out the sound sh and reading and writing. So brush, this is how they have to circle the brush, and sheep, sheep, fish. In this case sh is coming at the end of the word fish. So the child should know the sh sound, sh sound not only come in the beginning and also at the end of the word. So they get used to the sound sh when they are doing this kind of worksheets. And the next sound is a ch. Ch. C is a consonant and H is a consonant, and together they make the sound ch. And in this worksheet, what we are going to do, the child know this is a chair. First they have to write the sound ch in the blank, and later they have to cover the blank, and they should be able to write the spelling down. In this way they are able to learn the spelling easily. So this is a cherry. They have to write the word ch, cherry, and the same way they have to close a word, and they will be able to write the same word below. So cheese, chick, this will enable the child to become familiar with the sound ch. Next is a matching of digraph. As already have told, digraph, two letters making a single sound. Here C is a consonant, H is a consonant, and together they makes a sound ch, ch. And here WH makes a sound W, and TH makes a sound F. SH makes the sound sh, and PH makes the sound f. PH is sounded like the letter F as a f. So the child know this is a thumb, and the beginning of the thumb is th. So they have to match th. And this is a shirt sh sound. This is how they have to match all the pictures with the digraph. So this is a wheel v, and this is a phone f, and chain ch. So this kind of activities enable the child to become familiar with the sounds. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. If you want further video, please click on to the bell icon. Thanks for watching.